Richard, the Southwest guy. Good morning from Eugene, Oregon.
Good morning again, 758, 758, ready for taxi.
Oh, it's actually United Airlines. My bad.
Current altimeter 3005 from the 12 taxi Alpha Alpha 3.
3005, 12 Alpha Alpha 3, we'll grab Juliet.
Adios to United Airlines, 737.
17 Tucson Tower, 1706, runway 12, takeoff.
Good morning, Wendy. Hope you're doing better. Hope you're feeling well. Thank you so much for tuning in. American Airlines 737 taking off right now on runway 12. Headed off to Chicago. Adios, amigo. Adios. Oh, we got a little buffering. Hang in there, folks.
Traffic departing Tucson, runway 12, it's an Airbus 320.
The dry desert air. So that's a great question, but there's a few different reasons. Well, thank you, Chase. All is well. Just finished up my first week of work and go back to work tomorrow. I'll probably have 6 weeks of training. Trucker Norm, thank you so much. Gifting 5 memberships. Silsec, Bob, Timbaugh, Gavin, and Aquasox.
Tango, are you familiar with VFR reporting point in the county fairgrounds?
Adios to United Airlines. Your drinks choices include water, water, or water.
Dr. Tucson ground clear.
Yep, a nice quick flight to Vegas. Oh, awesome, Trucker Norm. Good deal. All right, I've got an E175.
Reporting departure, Meridian 71 Romeo Delta, 3,900, climbing 1,500.
Meridian 71 Romeo Delta, going to approach radar. Where's the navigation?
Nav 71 Romeo Delta. Tucson Tower, 150 at 4, runway 12, clear for takeoff. 12, clear for takeoff,
I believe this headed off to Phoenix. AJD, what's up, man? And you can follow AV Geek Tours on his Instagram, just at AV Geek Tours. And you can also follow JoJo on the go just by following him on Instagram at JoJo on the go. So a lot of great spotters down here in Tucson, which I'm finding out, which is great. The other cool thing I found out while I have a minute, there is actually
Rock 1, Tucson clearance, cleared to Tucson Airport via heading 120. Radar vectors, Tucson Westward routing, maintain 17,000, expect flight level, correction expect flight level 240 through flight level 25010 fast departure. Departure frequency 269er.55, squawk 4267.
Hey, Lord Andrew, what's happening? Good morning to you. Great to see you.
Pacific 708, wind very well at 4, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
You have not missed the F-16. Just got word that our F-16s are taxiing right now, so we should see some action here quite shortly.
Tucson Airport, disinformation queue inaccurate.
So aircraft is Kilo, turn at Tucson altimeter 3007.
Guard Super Bravo, exit runway 12.
Beautiful, off to Seattle.
Roger.
Oh. Oh, I got him. Here we go. No time to dilly-dally.
Guard Super Bravo, exit. And 1025, you're back right. Guard Super Bravo, exit runway 12.
I have been to the Grand Canyon before, but not since I've been in Arizona, Kevin. Hey, Uncle Robbie, good morning to you, sir. How are you? Welcome to Tucson. Great to see you.
Skywas 5574, Tucson
Here we
Tower.
go. Another round.
Aircraft 524, maintain vehicle below 5. Departure frequency 119.4, squawk 43.
And here comes some more. Oh, we got some buffering. Behave. There's our afterburner. Here's our CRJ headed to Sky West, or Sky West headed to LAX.
contact, Tucson altimeter 3008.
It's true, Lord Andrew. They definitely aren't bashful. There's Dave from North Little Rock. He would love this action.
Tucson, and we reported light to moderate traffic around longitude 2000.
Once you continue track pole position.
Tucson.
737-800.
Left turn, 100, back 43. Track Sam Smoke, back 43.
Southwest. The 684 departure just said the previous departure reported moderate chop on the climb from surface up to 8,000. Contact at 125. Good. 50 data, you take it from dial and call on my one surface takeoff. Thing 1, 2. Skyline 5531, Tucson Tower, Calmer, and 126 takeoff.
Going outside in 5 minutes. Perfect,
Yeah, we were
dude.
just curious. Are they
I've
only
been
doing jump operations
shouting out
after now
to you
today,
and
or are they gonna be
AV
doing
Geek
that
Tours and JoJo on the go and Tink. So we'll see you in a little bit out here, Josiah.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Clear jet 524.
Ops 5 better, what's numbers, the height and top of view. Alright, 2643, 194, thank you. Alright, cleared to as filed, and 17,000, expect 41 in 10 minutes, 744 whiskey.
American 1025, Tucson Tower, Calmer, my 127 takeoff.
1025.
Sierra Pacific 709, contact departure, good day.
Switch to departures, here Pacific 709, have a good day. Tucson departures, here Pacific 709, with the runway heading 3,400. Here Pacific 709, Tucson departure with a contact, roger.
Over to Dallas it goes.
Expect direct no-T traffic for 11:12 o'clock, 6 miles southeastbound.
From Southwest Airlines, a 737,
You had initial via
a 737-700, excuse me.
64 Tucson approach, ready to contact. Are you landing Benson? Troy 064. Troy 064, roger. Stay altitude and altitude.
Thank you, Aircraft Expeditions.
7,500, Troy
So, Aircraft Expeditions, I just moved to Tucson, so I'm learning a lot. So I'm sure there's a lot of information that you can pass along to help our viewers about Tucson. Off to San Diego it goes.
1 Tucson Tower, Roger. Continue inbound on car break.
There he is. There he is. There's our friend we met yesterday. He's out working hard. Well, there you go. Aircraft Expeditions. Kevin Kelly says, or Kevin says, how many daily? And Aircraft Expeditions says 5 daily to DFW. Awesome. Absolutely, AV Geek Tours. I will definitely hit you up for San Diego.
Going to be leveling off right here at 4,000.
Oh, nice.
All right, leaving 4,500 right to Gila Bend. You want that a right turn for Southwest 3973?
Southwest 3973, authoritative right turn.
All right, right turn.
112.
The Tucson Airport.
Banner helicopter radar on the tower, transition approved, altimeter 3006.
3006, Banner 5.
Just gonna follow this guy all the way down. Glad you're enjoying it, Captain Lyle. Our friendly neighborhood F-16. Okay, yeah. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. This right up close. Love it. Beautiful. So Wisconsin, Texas.
Aircraft temporary over now, 14,500. Shady 16 survivor. Improve your day.
I know, Aircraft Expeditions. It's nice of them. Just a thought, what's up? Afterburner!
Proceed VFR to shore, maintain 11,000.
Tucson altimeter was 3010.
Delivered back in 2004, Benjamin. Thank you. It's going to be sad kind of seeing these go away. But I don't know when that date will be. It sure does, Uncle Plane Guy.
Morning flighting 270. Vector visual approach runway 12. It's going to maintain 11,000. Right, 270 heading down to 11,000 for vector 20. Shady 2, Tucson approach, good morning, radar contact, Tucson altimeter 3010.
I like this spot too, because when we're in Southville, they always turn off here, and we can always wave hi to them. Sounds good, Aircraft Expeditions. Sounds good.
Thanks, John. On the departure radar.
25.
Wonder if they can give me the old Top Gun thumbs up.
Tower 6307, readback is correct, and there is radar vectors, Burrow 5 departure, D-ball transition.
All right,
Phoenix,
AJD, have a
DOR,
great day. We'll see you later, bud.
Then as filed, maintain 17,000. Departure frequency 125.1. Squawk 0.
That's so fun just to see an F-16 and an A321 in the same same photo. Escalante and Celebrity Road. All right, Benjamin, thanks for stopping by. Great to see you again. It's a heavy A321 today.
Stand by landing traffic. And take one, take the request. Tucson Tower, runway 12, continue tower, call break. Traffic will be holding position.
The short flight to LAX. Safe travels to SkyWest there. So yeah, military aircraft, that is definitely something I'm still learning.
290. 218
But there's a lot of nice people who have helped me out here in Tucson. That's just a great visual right there. Gavin, good one. The Essential Air Service plane right here.
And confirm this will be a full stop. Full stop.
420.
Oh, what the heck? We got a Hercules taking off too?
Zulu contact approach 125.1.
Edward 197, gotcha.
I'm just giving you everything today. It's like I'm going out of business, folks. I'm just giving you everything today. I believe this was from the Marines.
Runway 12 at altitude.
See, and that's what I thought, Mike. Crush one. Thank you, Uncle Plane Guy.
Spirit Tank 2 lands. Are you planning on departing on your own?
Civil Air Patrol Cessna.
The load advisor inbound 23 Yankee. And we're at 8 Yankee correction. Intercept the VOR final approach course. Intercept the VOR final approach course 23 Yankee. Pluto 11, the runway sweep has been taken care of. Now we're just waiting for the emergency to land. Continuing short runway 31. And off of Tucson International, passing 4,000. Zero 1 Tucson approach, radar contact, day request, and up to Tucson. 11 cleared as filed, fly heading 300, departure frequency 284.0, squawk 6175, altimeter 3008, continually short runway 31.
What's up, Randy S? Good morning to you in Omaha.
Pluto 11, read back.
Ooh, from Luke. We'll keep our eyes out for that. Aircraft expeditions, that'd be rad. Let's get that wire out of the way. There we go.
Roger, 118.3.
Power of DM here too.
10 degrees left here, you're indicating 10 degrees to the right from future winds.
That's my understanding, but I could be wrong.
60, SkyWest 4637.
Are they going to do a low? That would be great if they did like a low flyby.
No. 12 via Alpha 3, SkyWest 3405. 4637, Roger. Any turbulence?
Nope.
No aircraft information.
Focusing on this one. It's pretty rad.
SkyWest 4637, wind 3203, runway 12, clear to land.
Clear to land the 12, SkyWest 4637.
I may have to do that, James. Get a hot air balloon. I actually did see a few out in Phoenix on Saturday.
Continue on Alpha, make the right turn on runway 4, left turn at Delta 2 for the guard ramp.
12 center approach, turn left heading 010, factors initial runway 12, following a series of 10 mile mark.
5 Tucson Tower, Contact departure. Mike Carnet, Tucson. Adam 1, Tucson approach.
Thank you, everybody, for liking and subscribing. Thank you all for being here. Yes, Dreamweaver, absolutely.
499, it's going to maintain 7,000.
Tucson clearance, clear to Deer Valley Airport via heading 120. Radar vectors, Victor.
Yep, we'll do Phoenix,
105.
Cody.
Phoenix VOR direct, maintain 8,000.
We're at Phoenix on
Departure
Saturday.
125.1.
Yeah, Saturday.
Clock 4265.
One of the former ATs. Oh, very nice. Sadly, no, Gavin, it is not.
It's going to maintain 6,000.
Flying airport and staying on Cortez.
Welcome back,
It's going
AJD.
to maintain 6,000.
This is our Las Vegas Southwest arrival. And we should see our Tucson, or our Houston Hobby arrival shortly.
Join runway 12 final approach course.
Say again.
Evergrande 197, turn right heading 095.
I know, Gavin, I'm sorry.
Course.
Turn right, 09.
See if we can get a wave. Trained and signed off, so just step by step.
We'll advise when we have the weather.
But it's kind of fun being working right here at the airport. So.
0430. Put on, make your eyes again. Check. Go.
American 2720, Tucson, Terry, still need a minute.
We are ready to go.
American 2720, roger, runway 12 Alpha 3, line of foot.
One chance to party, David Fonda, momentarily during the
3 and maintain at or above 6,000 for traffic. Budo 11, just be advised, your transponder keeps switching back to 6576 from 0430.
Adios to the A321 going back to Dallas.